Hey guys, so today in this video I'm gonna be using my cybertruck in multiplayer mode.
The only one.
Yep, big car driving. Yeah, the damage is actually real. It's still car driving, but you know that this? The best thing about it, the damage is actually real. Really, if somebody crashes into a Tesla, well, they're dead. Somebody crashes into this thing, dead. Yep. And as people know, cybertrucks are made of stainless steel. So if anything crashes into it, then instantly impaled. But yesterday I was racing at the arcade. You know who won? I was an AE86 Trueno. My opponent was an AE85, which is much older. Huh?
You really like cars?
Yeah, but in the race I wasn't the first to win. Yeah, I kind of feel like I kind of feel like the thing is hitting my hair. I kind of feel like it's hitting the leg hairs. I can literally feel the tape. I could feel the tape peeling my hair.
With weight loss of up to 15 pounds in 6 months.